What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and check this out, guys. I just opened 5 of these coin rolls that I got from the bank, and I got these 4 coins out of it. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, guys, so first we got this 2022 coin, and I don't think it's a die break error. It might be some kind of die on it, but I thought it looked really cool because it's going straight through his head. So that was the first coin that I got. Next, I got this 1981 copper coin, and it appears to be slightly off-centered. If you look at the right side, the rim is a little thicker than it is on the left side. Next, we have this 1945 wheat cent. Not the best of condition, but nevertheless, it is a wheat cent. And lastly, we have this 1945 as well. And check it out. It looks like it has some kind of rim error going on. I don't know if this is because of environmental damage or if this is an actual error from the mint. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. So yeah, guys, these are the 4 coins that I got from opening the coin rolls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.